Today, my crew and I went out visiting various areas of Precinct 2 that were adversely affected by the recent storm that hit Harris County and Precinct 2 in particular. Witnessing downed trees, homes that have been devastated, communities that have been disrupted. But the thing that gave me so much excitement was seeing neighbors helping neighbors and watching the Precinct 2 public works crews working so diligently, so tirelessly, ensuring that they're doing everything humanly possible for us to help the community get back on its feet and continue to move forward. We're in this together.